friends, this is Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create a crochet beaded necklace. And I hope we are going to end up in a nice long necklace that includes all our beads. With these beads, we are going to create tiny leaves. I have already strung them on this crochet cotton thread and will be using a 1.1 mm steel crochet hook. It is comparatively tiny, but don't worry, the process remains the same. Let's get started. We will start with a slip knot. And chain 3. Pull up some beads. At a time we will be using 5 beads. Pull them close to your work. And make a chain. Now friends, if you want to make bigger leaves, you can add more beads. I have used 5, you can use 7 or even more. After making a chain, we will make 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. Again pull up 5 beads. Bring them close to your work and make a chain. Again chain 3. Next 5 beads. And a chain and 3 more chains. We will continue doing this till we have used all the beads on the string. Here I am about to complete this necklace. Just a few beads left. I would like to mention that randomly I have used 7 beads also in some places, so that I get 2 sizes of leaves. I didn't want to make all of them of the same size. So somewhere I have used 5 and somewhere I have used 7. This brings us to the last leaf. We are going to make a slip stitch into the first chain where we began. Again pull up a loop and cut the thread. We'll tie a knot with both ends. Here we have completed this beautiful delicate necklace. I'm sure you will like it. Just go ahead and make one in a color of your choice. Thank you. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And also let me know in the comment section if you have any ideas for further videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.